Hello friends, welcome back to Shortcut. Today I'm going to tell you top 14 ways to drive traffic to your blog or website. I shortlisted these 14 steps may give best result to get traffic to your website. First one is SEO friendly content. By creating a SEO friendly content, you can optimizing to your search engine with your content. After creating SEO friendly content, what you have to do is just link your content. After writing a content, just link your website with the internal links and external links, like inbound links we have to do is internal linking and external linking. Internal linking is it means giving a links to link structure. You have to do best well framed link structure. Without internal links may help you to get more views, like it will improve your bounce rate. Like if you improve your bounce rate, like as just guy there's more traffic, it will improve your search engine. It will drag to it in your article, in your blog only. Like external linking is from your website you are giving links to another website. This is called external linking. This will help you on a SEO factor, like it will improve as SEO ranking. And now it comes to the backlinks. How to getting backlinks is little bit difficult, but if you create a good backlinks to your website, it will grow your website traffic, like it will help you in boosting your SEO. But getting backlinks is very difficult. You can get backlinks by asking some other website to link from your, how you are giving external linking from your site to other site. In the same way you are getting links from the other website. You are getting a good backlinks is the most important thing. Getting backlinks from spam website, it will help your website rank. And next thing I am going to tell you about alt attribute. Alt attribute is nothing but giving the name to your image. When you create any article, after creating article, you just after simply pasting image will not do anything like that. If you write after posting uploading your article, you have to give alt name and name of the title of your image. By giving that, it will, when you search when anyone search in Google, it will automatically redirect to search about your name about your blog, like how to drive traffic to your website. I created a name, I uploaded that image to my blog, and I gave an alt how to drive traffic to your blog, and same I give a title of the blog. So in this way you can, it's simply like image SEO. You are optimizing your image to search engine. And now I will tell you meta tags and meta description. These are the most important thing to add every website, every meta tags and meta. These two things will only visible on search engines, like every article, when you post any article in blog, like a website, everything you have to write meta tags and meta description with the help of Yoast SEO and some other free tool by using. I am also using Yoast SEO to add meta tags and meta description. Meta description which describes the entire article in a 160 words. Like meta tags, a few tags like keyword tag to optimize your article. And next we are going to the Facebook marketing. We also know everybody is aware of Facebook and social media. By using Facebook, you have to create a Facebook brand page to your blog or any business. By using these pages, you have to, by posting consistently in a Facebook page, by sharing your page on various groups related to you will get some traffic from Facebook. And Instagram, I have to create by using Instagram also you can get some branding. Like if you post anything in Instagram, continuously posting it's like we can share links in Facebook, but Instagram we cannot share links, but you can target customers with our images. Nowadays Instagram is most influenced thing to brand. For branding purpose, it can help you a lot. And Twitter, Twitter marketing is one of the best way to promote your brand or business blog. By using Twitter, you can share your, after writing any post content, share that link in Twitter. In Twitter we have a limit like some 160 or so 150 words, like that we have limit to content. You have to share image or link, and by using help of Twitter you can get some traffic from Twitter by constantly posting quality content. And now it's going to blog commenting. Blog commenting also give a will help you to improve your SEO ranking and improve your website search traffic and your visibility of your website. And now it comes to the email marketing. Email marketing is the most important thing, collecting emails from the customer by giving a free ebook or giving any offers. Like email marketing is the lifelong marketing. If you post anything in your email, if you have any notification to email, if you have within certain time before creating email marketing will help you to grow your business. When you have any post, you can send mails to a list on every email marketing list that you have in your marketing list. And now I will tell you about this. So you have to follow, when you are creating any blog, just add email marketing campaign, so it can help you to grow fast and reach every customer easily. And now I am going with the guest posting. Guest posting is one of the important aspect of getting a backlinks. What you have to do is just find a related blogs to, like by guest posting you will get high quality traffic from you. If you want to get a backlink, now it's a simple easiest way to guest posting, but you have to write articles to how they would like to. Just guest posting also not posting is normal website. You have to post in a good website, they are having high praise rank, high website, write content for them and ask them, send them emails to to post in your blog, so I can get, so they will automatically give you some backlinks from those websites. If you post like this, your website will rank easily on search engines. And one more thing is Quora. Quora is the one of the best social bookmarking site where you can share, you can get good quality traffic and some value to your website. Continuously posting Quora may give you some SEO benefit, like it's like a search engine. It will help you to drive traffic from using Quora. Most of the digital marketers are using Quora to get traffic. They are creating some groups in Quora and continuously posting content on Quora. Now it became most popular in getting a quality traffic from Quora. And now it comes with the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the professional networking site. It will get a high quality, you will get not more visitors, but quality, you will get the quality visitors from a professional LinkedIn website. And one more time, here you can, by posting LinkedIn, you can get some business like a freelancing or some quality works in by using the LinkedIn. And last I am going to tell you about Pinterest. Pinterest is the one of the best way to share your image and quality. So many websites few websites they are making huge money with the help of Pinterest by sharing their affiliation links and sharing their blog commenting. These are the 14 ways to get traffic to your website. So I hope you like this video. Next time I'll come up with a more best video. So I hope I have created a quality content for you. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video.